Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another tutorial video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be showing you how to replace the license plate light on a Volvo C30. This particular car I'm working with here today is a 2007, and this procedure may also apply to other Volvo models as well. First, you'll need to remove the two Phillips screws holding on the lens. A screwdriver can be used, however, due to the angle of the screws, it may not allow the screwdriver tip to fully engage, so there's a greater chance of stripping those screws. Therefore, it's best to use a ratchet with a Phillips tip driver. Here's a screw. Remove the other screw. The lens will have a small seal installed, and it may hold the lens in place. Using a screw, place it back into the hole and grab onto the edge, then pull it down. The bulb just wedges into place. Gently pull away the one terminal so the bulb drops out. Be careful, over time the plastic in these housings can become brittle and will break the terminal mount. I'd recommend using a glove to install the new bulb. Don't get any oil on the glass from your skin, as it can create a hot spot, eventually burning out that bulb. The bulb type is a 6418, make sure it is clipped into place. Then reinstall the lens, make sure it's in the correct orientation. Tighten up the screws, not too tight as it's only plastic. Verify to ensure it's working and you're officially done. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, it's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.